36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Thank you. Ms. Summer, are you in Target right now?
Target?
Yes.
No, I'm in Ulta.
Ms. Summer. Ms.
Yes.
Young.
Can you hear me?
This is a court hearing. You can't just be walking around shopping and stuff like that, okay?
I was already out.
All right, Ms. Young, I'm going to call on someone else. I'm gonna bring you back in the courtroom in a minute, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Wiley Jr.,
Speaking.
can you activate your camera for me, please?
No problem.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Aaron Wiley Jr. This is ticket P 1336395. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, drive while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Field Manager Wilkerson, P81003, on behalf of Mr. Wiley Jr. Mr. Wiley, please state your name for the record.
Aaron Whaley Jr.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Wiley would like to have these matters set for trial and formal hearing.
Is that right, Mr. Wiley?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
I did.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of December 21st. December 21st, 9 a.m. though. So instead of this afternoon time, it's going to be 9 a.m. via Zoom though. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll see you back December 21st, 9 a.m., okay?
Sounds good.
All right, fantastic, sir. You are all set. Thank you so much.
You have a good one.
You too, thank you, sir. Ms. Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Adrian Williams. This is ticket P 1349682. Count 1 to 5 miles over posted speed, limited access. Also calling ticket number P 1349725. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Field Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Ms. Williams. Ms. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Yes, Adrian Lanice Williams.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Williams did present me with her license. She has a valid license, and she would like to avail herself to the plea on the remaining matter of blockading.
Is that right, Ms. Williams?
That's correct, Your Honor.
We're reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the day of May 5th of 2022, in the area of Connor and Mack in the city of Detroit, Ms. Williams was driving a Chevy vehicle and did block traffic. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, and is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter in a plea of responsible to 1 count blockading. That's a 0-point offense, ma'am. And the other count will be dismissed for having valid documentation, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, no problem. Typically, the fine is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, ma'am?
No, Your Honor, not at this time. I'm actually on a fixed income on a disability. I get paid like the first of every month, so I need a little bit more time.
Okay, how much time do you need? 30 days?
Yes, ma'am.
45 days?
Yes, that'll be perfect. 30 days is appropriate. Yes.
All right, so that date is November the 10th. Is that gonna be okay?
November the 10th. Yes, ma'am. That's perfect.
Okay, all right, November the 10th. I'll have this fine due, okay?
Okay. And just
All right.
one question, how do I pay it online?
You can pay it online, or you can physically come down to 36th District Court and pay it that way too, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so either way, you can either pay it online or come down to the court and pay.
Okay, thank you.
Or those DivDad machines too, you know where you can pay other city Detroit fees at? For like taxes.
No, I'm sorry. I don't live in the city of Detroit, so I'm
Okay,
not familiar.
all right. So just pay it online or come down,
Okay.
okay?
Okay,
Fair enough,
thank,
fair enough.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm all set.
You're all set. That concludes this hearing. You're all set, Ms. Williams. You have a great day, okay?
You as well, thank you.
I will, thank you. Deontay Wilson?
Yes.
Okay. Can you turn on your camera for me, please? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Deontay Wilson. This is ticket P 1351215. Count 1, drove with revoked license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Field Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson, please state your name for the record.
Deontay Wilson.
Your Honor, at this time, I've had a chance to speak with Mr. Wilson. He would like to have these matters set for trial.
Is that a bench or a jury trial, Mr. Wilson?
Bench.
All right, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Wilson, you had an opportunity to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
That was Ms. Wilkerson. You talked to her about your case?
Yes.
Okay, and it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, Mr. Wilson?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of December 21st. December 21st. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. So it's in the
Okay.
morning instead of the afternoon. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. It is via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in, you're gonna zoom in on that day. Do you need to put it in your phone?
Yeah, you said December
21st,
21st at 9:30.
9 a.m.
9 o'clock. Okay.
Okay,
All right.
all right. I'll see you then, okay, via Zoom. All right, Mr. Wilson, you're all set. Bond is at $0 personal. We'll see you for your trial.
Hold on.
All right, have a good day. Jarrell Whitfield?
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh,
Oh, he's in a bad area.
there he is. I'm scared to ask you to start your video. Your internet is not real good. All right. Say something, Mr. Whitfield. Let me see how your internet is.
Yes, can you hear me?
Okay, that's much better. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jarrell Whitfield. This is ticket P 1354747. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket P 1354835. One count failed to use seatbelt assembly system. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Field Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Mr. Whitfield. Mr. Whitfield, please state your name for the record.
Terrell Whitfield.
Your Honor, at this time, I've had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Whitfield. He would like to avail himself to the plea offer, which was a plea to responsible on the seatbelt charge and the remaining charges to be dismissed.
Is that right, sir? You want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes.
All right. Reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the day of May 23rd, 2022, in the area of French and Harper Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Whitfield was driving a Chrysler vehicle and failed to use his seatbelt assembly system correctly. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of responsible to one count, failed to use the seatbelt assembly system, and the remaining 3 tickets will be dismissed, sir. Sir, the fine for that is $65. Typically, you have 14 days to pay for that. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to have it due no later than October 24th, 2022. Okay, sir?
Yeah.
All right. If there's nothing further, thank you so much, Mr. Whitfield.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a great day, okay?
Yes, appreciate it.
All right, you're all set. Give me 1 second, Ms. Whitney. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Patrice Whitney. This is ticket P 1331216. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Also calling ticket P 1355997. Count 1, insufficient or defective lights. Count 2, defective or missing equipment. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Field Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Ms. Whitney. Ms. Whitney, please state your name for the record.
Patrice Whitney.
Your Honor, I've had the opportunity to speak with Ms. Whitney. At this time, she would like to have these matters set for a bench trial.
Is that right, Ms. Whitney?
Yes,
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down. Ma'am, did you have an opportunity to talk with the attorney about your case and about your rights?
yes,
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that correct, ma'am?
yes.
All right, I'm going to set these for a bench trial on the date of December the 21st. December 21st, 2022. That's going to be at 9 a.m. instead of this afternoon time, 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. If there's nothing further, we're all set with these matters for today, okay?
Okay,
All right, ma'am. I'll see you back December 21st, okay?
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too, bye.
Bye-bye. Mr. Young Pat?
Hello? Yes. Hello?
Uh-oh, your internet's a little choppy. Can you say something real quick for me?
Can you hear me?
I can, but something's wrong with your internet a little bit.
Like a delay.
Should I cut the Wi-Fi off? Hold on.
That sounds good, okay.
Is it better?
Yes, way better. Thank you, sir. All right.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Terrence, I apologize, Young Pat. This is
Huh?
ticket P 1127040. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Also calling ticket P 1358188. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Till Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Mr. Young Pack. Mr. Young Pack, please state your full name for the record.
Terrence Young, Pat.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to speak with Mr. Young Pack. He did show a valid driver's license as well as an insurance certificate. At this time, I believe there may be an offer for dismissal of these matters.
All right. Being an officer of the court, having seen his valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request and dismiss these matters without prejudice at this time. Sir, these matters are dismissed. However, are you aware that you have some money and fines that you owe for an open case from 2020?
No.
Okay, you owe $288, sir. You pled guilty to a matter and back on 10/14/2020. And so that money's still outstanding, okay?
Okay, I just come in. I can go down to 36 and pay, can I?
Yes, you can.
Okay, I will. I'll make it in a bit.
Just remain open and get fees, and you don't want those fees, okay, Mr. Pat?
Okay,
Okay, all right, go ahead and take care of that so you can get that closed out, okay?
I will.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too. So leave.
You done came outside of her pajamas.
Yeah,
Hi.
are you driving?
No, I'm parked right now.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people. No, you're driving.
I'm sorry.
I can see the scene.
I'm parked, ma'am.
Okay, you were driving for a second though. 'Cause can
Yes,
see the
I was
scene.
parking.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Summer Young. This is ticket P 1356041. This is count one, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count two, supply false information and or ID to police officer. Three, improper address on license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Till Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Ms. Young, please state your name for the record.
Summer Young.
Your Honor, at this time, I did have the opportunity to speak with Ms. Young. She would like to have these matters set for trial.
All right, is that right? Ms. Young, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
I did.
And she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. Is that going to be bench or jury, ma'am?
I don't know.
The bench is with the one with the judge, and the jury is the one where you actually call in a full jury to hear your case.
I guess bench.
All right. So I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of December the 21st, 2022. It's going to be at 9 a.m. So instead of this afternoon time, it's going to be at 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll see you back on December the 21st, 9 a.m. for your bench trial, okay?
Okay.
All right.
December the 21st at 9 a.m.
Yep, you want to
Okay.
put that in your phone real quick?
Yes. Hold on one
Yep.
second.
Go ahead, no problem.
I can do that.
Yeah, you can switch over and be able to do it. You should be able to go into your calendar and do it. Cause I can see you trying to remember it and I don't want you to do that.
Right. Okay. Hold on. December 21st
Yes, ma'am.
at 9 a.m.
Yep.
All right. I got it.
All right, then we'll see you back that day, ma'am, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
I will. Bye-bye. And I think that's the afternoon docket, y'all.
Yeah.